Good morning, children. Let's continue the same topic, relations and functions, in which I'll explain to you the definition of a relation. You can see here that A and B with the two non-empty sets and a set R is said to be a relation from set A to set B if R is a subset of A cross B. For this, you can see an example that will be much better for you. Consider the two sets, A having two elements, 2 and 3, and B is having three elements, 6, 9, 12. And we want to find out the Cartesian product of A and B. It will have six ordered pairs. You can see already you have done this. And now a relation between X and Y. X and Y means abscissa and ordinate. के बीच में relation is given to you, that is y equal to 3x, where first element belongs to the first set and second element belongs to the second set. This representation is called set builder form of the relation. And if we will substitute the value of x from a, that is 2, you will get 6, and if you will substitute 3, then you will get 9. Means you will get relation in which two ordered pairs, that is 2, 6 and 3, 9. This representation is called the roster form of the relation. You can represent in this diagram also. You are having two sets A and B. A is having two elements 2 and 3, and B is having three elements 6, 9, 12, and 2 is related with 6. You can see here, and 3 is related with 9. And now this representation is called arrow diagram of the relation. If 2, 6 related, then it can be written as 2 related to 6, or it can be written as like this also. If 2, 9, like 2, 9 is not related to R because 2, 9 is not here, then you can say 2 is not related to 9, or it can be written as like this. Number of elements in set A is 2 and number of elements in set B is 3. Therefore, number of elements in A cross B is 2 into 3, that is 6. And what are the number of relations? That is, formula is 2 power 2 into 3, that is 2 power 6. Means number of relations from A to B is 2 power B, 2, where P is number of elements of the first set and Q is number of elements of the second set. Now R is a relation from a non-empty set to a non-empty set B. Then the first element is called ordered pair of R is called domain of the relation. This is called domain. First element means like you can see here 2, 3. And the set of all second elements is called range of the relation, that you can see 6 and 9. And the set B is called codomain of the relation. You can see this is set B, that is 6, 9, 12. This is called codomain of the relation. Now let's see an example. Let's having two sets. A is having three elements x, y, z, and B is having 1, 2, and R is having three Cartesian coordinates. And let's justify the answer whether this is a relation or not, and find the number of relations from A to B. You can see here already you know how to find out A cross B, and then R is given to you this, and all ordered pairs are in A cross B. That's why it is a subset of A cross B, and so R is a relation from A to B. And number of relations are 2 power PQ, that is 2 power 3 number of elements in A, and 2 number of elements in B, that is 2 power 6, that is 64 number of relations. And now on the basis of it, you can try this assignment.